Hot on the heels of the Samsung Galaxy S series launch, Samsung has unveiled two Galaxy A series phones, the Galaxy A30 and the Galaxy A50. Both these devices are expected to officially launch in India on February 28th. Here's our first look. The Galaxy A50 features a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED Infinity-U screen with Full HD Plus resolution and a 19.5:9 aspect ratio. The phone comes with 4GB and 6GB of RAM options along with storage options of 64GB and 128GB. Storage is expandable via a micro SD card. Additionally, the company has packed a 4000 mAh battery, an unnamed Octa-core processor, and in-display fingerprint sensor in the Galaxy A50. There's a triple camera setup on the back of the phone with a 25-megapixel primary camera, a 5-megapixel camera, and an 8-megapixel camera. There's a 25-megapixel sensor with fixed focus f2.0 lens on the front as well. It comes with Android 9 Pie and includes Bixby Vision, Bixby Voice, Bixby Home, and Bixby Reminder features. Just like the Galaxy A50, the Galaxy A30 also sports a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED Infinity-U screen with a Full HD Plus resolution and 19.5:9 aspect ratio. The phone is powered by an unnamed Octa-core processor coupled with 3GB and 4GB of RAM options along with 32GB and 64GB of inbuilt storage. Storage is expandable via a micro SD card here as well. Other specifications of the phone include a 4000 mAh battery and a rear capacitive fingerprint scanner. There's a dual rear camera setup with a 16-megapixel primary camera and a 5-megapixel camera. On the front, there's a 16-megapixel camera with a fixed focus f2.2 lens. It comes with Android 9 Pie and includes Face Unlock, Bixby Home, and Bixby Reminder features. Both Samsung Galaxy A series 2019 models also include Samsung Pay and fast charging, but the availability of these features will depend on the market. Samsung Netherlands has noted that the Galaxy A50 will carry a price tag of €349. While the smartphone's India price will be different, the Netherlands pricing does offer an indication of what to expect. For the Galaxy A30 price, we'll have to wait for the official launch this week. While you're at it, do check out this great video from the MWC show floor, and this one as well. If you like our videos, do subscribe and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.